Hot temperatures in the valley today. It's been a fairly sunny day, a few puffy clouds around, but still 100 in McAllen and 98 in Edinburgh. A lot of places in the upper valley were right around 99, about 101, 102. Even in the lower valley, not much cooler. And I think tomorrow, about the same temperature range up there, right in the upper 90s, near 100. So tomorrow's highs could hit 100 again over most of Hidalgo and Starr counties, and pretty close to 100, at least in the upper 90s across western Cameron and western Wilsey counties. But I think our temperature trend may start to go down if we're lucky, maybe by the weekend or early next week. Now, rain from Harvey, we showed you yesterday all the massive rainfall totals. So this map is just the last 24 hours, and there's still some heavy rain. You know, it's moved east from Houston. You see Houston's been dry today, but east of there, still estimated rainfall totals around 10 to 16 inches right along the Texas-Louisiana border, which is kind of this line right here in the middle. And then Louisiana's had some pockets of heavier rain, but a lot of the heavy rain and some flooding is still building right there along the Texas-Louisiana border this evening and tonight. Harvey is spinning its way through Louisiana, officially out of Texas, but some of the heavy rain still spiraling back into the far eastern counties of Texas, but staying away from the Houston area. As we look elsewhere in Texas, it's pretty dry out there right now. Want to watch down the road. We could start to see some changes by later in the weekend and next week in the weather pattern, and that may spell some rain chances and potentially some tropical systems in the forecast as well. So here's the European model, which has Harvey spinning its way off to the northeast. Another storm is trying to form. This one may become a tropical storm really soon in the Pacific, and that could be right around Cabo by later tomorrow night and Friday as a tropical storm. So if you have any friends over there, let them know there might be a tropical storm coming Thursday night or Friday. Now, Texas is looking pretty dry tomorrow, and going into Friday, there's enough moisture still trying to come in. There might be one or two little sea breeze showers on Friday or Saturday, but nearly all the moisture should be to the south. And also, kind of want to watch to the south, too. The Hurricane Center still says we want to watch this area maybe by the weekend or next week to see if low pressure tries to form. This model yesterday had low pressure forming and zipping north toward about Houston or Louisiana. Today, this European model has a weak area of low pressure that may form by about Sunday or Monday and then kind of just hang there and just drift around as sort of a weak low. But if tropical moisture does pull together, we'll have to watch and see our rain chances here. I think if this stays really weak, if anything does try to form, our rain could be spread out. And we actually have some decent rain chances maybe here in the valley by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But if it does try to form into a more, I guess, tight low, it may pull most of the moisture offshore. But something we'll have to watch. Again, nothing there right now, but this is something maybe 3 or 4 days from now to see if anything tries to form. Beyond that, though, here's Wednesday. Notice a cold front. Most of the models say there will be a strong high pressure to the north that could force a cold front through Texas. So if we're lucky, maybe by about next Wednesday night or Thursday, not the strongest of fronts, but one that could actually bring down some lower humidity and cooler temperatures for later next week by about Thursday and Friday. That could come sweeping through Texas. But again, we have to watch the front, any potential low forming, a lot of tropical moisture spread out. But our rain chances do have a chance to go up, especially by, I think, about Labor Day and then Tuesday, Wednesday. So pretty dry the next few days. There might be 1 or 2 small showers Friday or Saturday afternoons, about a 10 to 20% chance for a shower on Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we couldn't really ramp those rain chances up. That depends, again, on whether any moisture pools together in the Gulf. But I think rain chances are on the rise by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and that also will drive down temperatures. So we're talking about maybe highs with the extra cloud cover and rain maybe stuck in the possibly the upper 80s early next week. Now in the Pacific, again, we have this potential tropical system trying to form and move toward Cabo. That comes tomorrow. At our coast here, nothing's going on. Things are quiet at the coast. If you are going to cool off at the coast, look for temperatures running mostly in the upper 80s tomorrow. A light breeze from the southeast, rising humidity, but no advisories in effect. The waters overall are pretty calm, and you see a high tide in the morning, a low tide later in the afternoon. So the first 1-5-7-day forecast, highs back close to 100 tomorrow, mostly in the upper 90s. I think we may catch a few more puffy clouds, especially by Saturday and Sunday. May cloud over a little bit more at times. That could drop temperatures a few degrees, so mainly in the 90s this weekend. And then, depending on the moisture that could pool together in the Gulf, we could have better chances for rain and more clouds by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and a decent chance for some rain. That could drive down temperatures more with highs in the 80s potentially in some areas if the clouds do really hang in early next week. So we'll keep watching for any rain in our future, but the next couple days, not much is coming our way. But I see Joel coming my way right now.